Scientific observations. Alright, the multiverse sounds wild, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But is there actual science behind it? Could we ever prove that these parallel universes exist? Surprisingly, some clues might already be out there. One of the biggest hints comes from the cosmic microwave background, the faint radiation left over from the Big Bang. Scientists have discovered strange anomalies in this radiation, including a giant cold spot in space. Some researchers believe this could be a bruise, a sign that our universe once collided with another universe. Think of two soap bubbles bumping into each other. What if our universe had a cosmic fender bender with another? And then there's quantum physics, a realm so weird that even Einstein was baffled by it. Particles at the smallest level don't behave the way we expect. Sometimes they exist in two places at once, sometimes they blink in and out of existence. Some physicists believe this could mean our universe is just one layer of a much bigger multiverse, where particles are slipping between different realities. Even black holes could be hiding secrets about other universes. Some theories suggest that when something falls into a black hole, it doesn't just get crushed, it could be transported to another universe. What if every black hole in our universe is actually a portal to another reality? And here's something crazy. Google's quantum computer may have provided indirect proof of parallel universes. In 2019, Google announced that their quantum processor solved a problem 3 million times faster than any supercomputer. Some scientists believe this isn't just speed. It could be that the quantum computer is tapping into parallel realities to perform calculations. So, is the multiverse just an idea? Or are the signs already around us?